For tens of thousands of years, long before written history, a vibrant culture flourished on a continent teeming with giants. In the remote heart of Australia, whispers of a lost world are etched into stone. The extraordinary art of the Aboriginal people. Imagine a time when towering marsupials roamed vast plains and immense reptiles stalked ancient rivers. This was the world of the Aboriginal ancestors, a world they observed, interacted with, and meticulously recorded. These aren't just drawings. They are snapshots of a truly ancient past preserved for millennia. From the Kimberley to Kakadu, these galleries in stone tell stories of hunting, ceremony, and the natural world. What makes these images truly unique is their ability to transport us directly into the minds of artists who lived alongside creatures we can only imagine. Aboriginal rock art is one of humanity's longest continuous artistic traditions. More than just historical records, these artworks are deeply spiritual and cultural. They embody the profound connection between Aboriginal people and their land, a connection that has endured for millennia. This art is a living testament to an unbroken lineage, a bridge between the ancient past and the vibrant present. The Australian continent holds a special place in our collective imagination. Its vast, timeless landscapes evoke a sense of the ancient and the wild, a land seemingly untouched by the passage of time. Imagine standing amidst the rugged beauty of the Australian Outback, the sun beating down on weathered sandstone, the wind whispering tales of a bygone era. The very ground beneath your feet seems to hum with the echoes of a prehistoric past. This is a place where humans and megafauna once coexisted, where giant kangaroos hopped across the plains and massive wombats grazed on the sparse vegetation. Here, amidst the red earth and the spinifex, there's more than meets the eye. Etched into the bedrock, hidden in secluded alcoves, are glimpses into a world frozen in time. Aboriginal rock art, a legacy of some of the world's oldest continuous cultures, comes to life. Suddenly, the harsh landscape transforms into a canvas, not of just sand and stone, but of ancient wonders. Under your gaze, the sun-bleached rock reveals intricate designs, bold outlines, and faded colors that speak of times long past. But it's more than just paintings you're witnessing. You're seeing a portal to an era when megafauna ruled the earth. Each stroke of ochre and white tells a story of coexistence, a silent testament to a world where humans hunted giant kangaroos, where the roar of thunderous beasts echoed through the valleys, and where strange flightless birds stalked the earth. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the outback, you're left with more questions than answers. Who were these artists, and what was their world like? How did they interact with the giants of their time? And how do their works shed light on a world so different from our own? Join me on a journey back in time, an exploration of the Australian Outback, and the secrets it holds, where the whisper of the wind carries tales of a lost world, and where the stars in the night sky seem to have stories of their own to tell. Deep within the heart of Australia, where the land is as ancient as time itself, lies a place where the spirits of the past walk among us. Here, time seems to stand still, allowing us to catch a glimpse of a world untouched by the march of progress. The Australian megafauna, an array of gigantic creatures that once roamed the continent, sharing the earth with early humans, offer a fascinating window into a bygone era. Picture this: you're standing before a weathered rock face, your eyes tracing the intricate patterns and symbols that adorn its surface. As you gaze upon these ancient works of art, you realize that you're not just looking at pretty pictures. You're witnessing a narrative, a tale of coexistence, where humans and megafauna existed side by side. Each stroke of pigment is a brushstroke from a master storyteller, narrating a chapter from a time when the earth itself was a character in the drama of life. Imagine the thrill of discovery as archaeologists uncovered these treasures, deciphering the language of symbols and connecting the dots of a forgotten world. Suddenly, the arid landscape transforms into a bustling realm where giant wombats grazed peacefully, where colossal kangaroos bounded across the plains, and where monstrous lizards basked in the sun, ruling the skies above them. Perhaps there were also enormous flightless birds, remnants of a time when avians took to the skies. These works of art serve as a tangible link to our ancestral past, a reminder of the rich tapestry of life that once thrived in Australia. As you stand there contemplating the mysteries of the past, you realize that you're part of a legacy that stretches back tens of thousands of years. The ancient Aboriginal artists, with their keen observation and deep understanding of the natural world, left behind a treasure trove of knowledge and wonder. Their art becomes a map guiding us through a world of giants, where each creature, no matter how imposing, was part of a delicate balance. Through their artistry, they've bridged the chasm of time, allowing us to understand their world a little better, and marvel at the diversity of life that once called this planet home. In the silence of the outback, surrounded by the whispers of giants, you feel a profound sense of connection to those who came before you. You realize that their stories are your stories too, and that their art is not just a glimpse into the past, but a reflection of the enduring spirit of humanity's connection to the natural world. As the sun sets over the Australian horizon, casting long shadows across the outback, you know that you'll never forget this place where the spirits of the past walk among us, and where the giants of yesteryears live on in the artwork of a bygone era. One of the most intriguing aspects of Aboriginal rock art is the sheer diversity and complexity of the artwork. Styles range from highly naturalistic depictions to more abstract forms. Some pieces showcase intricate detail, capturing the essence of the animals they portray. Others are more symbolic, leaving room for interpretation and symbolism. Take, for example, the famous depiction of a kangaroo at the Nourlangie Rock in Kakadu National Park. The artist has captured the essence of the animal's form with just a few bold strokes, instantly recognizable to anyone who sees it. On the other hand, you might encounter sites like the Gwion in the Kimberley region, where the art takes on a more abstract and geometric feel. These enigmatic figures, known as Gwion, are characterized by their distinctive features, such as elongated bodies and geometric patterns, which are thought to represent ancestral beings or spirits. Exploring these diverse styles allows us to appreciate the artistic skill and cultural richness of the Aboriginal people. It reminds us that art is a universal language that transcends time and place, connecting us to the creativity and ingenuity of our ancestors. Whether you're gazing at the detailed features of an animal etching or contemplating the abstract forms of a Gwion painting, each piece offers a unique window into the Aboriginal worldview. It's an invitation to see the world through their eyes, to appreciate the beauty and complexity of their artistic expression, and to recognize the profound connection they had and continue to have with the land and its ancient wonders. Amidst the vastness of the Australian outback, where the sun beats down on ancient rock faces, there's a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow playing across the rugged terrain. Here, hidden among the weathered contours of the rocks, are stories etched in time. Tales of a lost world brought to life through the magic of Aboriginal rock art. Imagine standing before a weathered rock, your eyes tracing the delicate lines and shapes carved or painted onto its surface. As you delve deeper into this natural gallery, you discover a captivating narrative unfold before your eyes. The artists of old have left behind a legacy of wonder, a tapestry of images that celebrate the harmony between humans and the majestic creatures that shared their world. Each artwork is a portal to a bygone era, where gentle giants roamed free and the earth itself resonated with life. Picture the awe-inspiring sight of a giant wombat, its massive form rendered with such precision that you can almost feel its presence beside you. Or perhaps you're captivated by the image of a gigantic kangaroo bounding across the plains, its muscular legs conveying the power and grace of this magnificent creature. These weren't just animals. They were integral parts of the Aboriginal people's lives, shaping their world and influencing their culture in profound ways. Through these mesmerizing depictions, you gain insight into the daily life of early humans. These weren't just observers of the natural world. They were active participants, engaging with the environment in a deep and meaningful way. They hunted these magnificent beasts, not just for sustenance, but as a way of maintaining balance in their ecosystem. As you explore further, you stumble upon otherworldly creatures that seem straight out of a fantasy realm. Enormous lizards bask in the sun, their scales glistening, while strange flightless birds strut majestically across the landscape. Each artwork is a testament to the boundless creativity of the Aboriginal artists and their ability to capture the essence of their subjects with remarkable accuracy. The significance of these artworks goes beyond their aesthetic beauty. They provide invaluable insights into a world that existed before written history, a world where humans and giants coexisted. Standing amidst this open-air museum, you realize that you're not just a tourist, you're a time traveler. You're stepping into a realm where the past is brought vividly to life. It's a humbling experience that connects you to the ancient rhythms of the earth and the enduring spirit of the Aboriginal people, whose connection to their land and its wonders has remained unbroken for millennia.